Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to send an email from our server, not by our hands. So let's start. So let me init uh, our application, which is NodeJS. This is the directory where I have put all the projects that I have made as a video. So let me create one more project. Send mailer as a project name. Be a minute. Okay, let's have this name as my project name, Western as it is, description AMI. Right? Okay, so yeah, now it's got completed. So all we gotta do is we'll have to do the same as we have done for our previous projects. So which is this. Let's copy this. I have already explained this in my previous videos. If you wanna know, you can have it. In brief, I used to have Babel to making a website or making an applications, whatever it is, so that I could use the latest JavaScript features like importing files or packages in our particular files and all. So yeah, so if you wanna know that, you can pause this video and go to my previous videos and check it out. Okay, let's have my dev dependencies installed as well here. Okay, these guys are all installed, and all we want to do is make this Axios. Do we need Axios? Let's check. npm I first. We'll need .env to access the environmental variables. Okay, so now we are gonna copy and paste labels p and paste the environment variable file. Where is it? Actually, we can make it for our own, right? Okay, let's init on other thing. Let's init our local git so that node models will be ignored, and we will see what are the files we are updating and all. So the main file going to be app.js. So if we clear, app is started. Superb. So if I give npm run dev, then it should wait and see. So yeah, this is what we wanted. So and then I wanted to have you be aware, see, we are going to use two npm packages which are totally open source. So usually if you see, as in basics, mail servers are using SMTP protocols, SMTP servers. So all we need is to configure our application to support SMTP transporter and protocols and all. So this is why we are going to use the specific server. So let's install that as well in our node mailer as a transporter. And to make this as thing, I need another project, another package, which is SMTP transport, which is totally going to help us what we really need. So I'll show it to you. Right. So okay, let me explain from the scratch. So here our dependencies are NodeEnv, NodeMailer, SMP transport. So NodeMailer will be our mail engine that is going to send our details in a mail format, which is going to support for SMTP protocol, which the service uses, and node mailer SMT transport. So if you as we are using JavaScript, the code we are going to put here going to be in a form of JavaScript, right? But in this case, SMTP transport, if you see, it accepts the kind of data in a particular structure. So in this case, node mailer SMTP transport package helps us to give the data from JavaScript as a required structure, as in the required structure. So that's what we are going to do. So these two things are helping us in coding. But to send an email, we need an actual service which is provided in cloud. So there are several services for paid, for available as paid. So if you see Gmail, so Gmail provides Google One and G Suite for this kind of specificities, and there are a lot of services as well, Firebase, Jetmail, there are a lot, Twilio. So in this case, we are not going to use any paid service to implement this. As this is a fun project we are doing, we are going to use Gmail service, which is available free, but not for actually servers, but for applications rather than Gmail. So the Gmail provides some features which is for the user who are not willing to use Gmail applications. So you can create your Gmail account, but you are not willing to use Gmail app, so you can use your Gmail account in any other app. So which means that app going to send an email on behalf of you. So this feature we are going to use for our fun project, which means our server is a kind of applications going to use your Gmail account. That's what. So let me show it to you. So let's first create a Gmail account. I've already opened this. Create an account for my personal use. Yes. First name, my email server, my email server dot one. I agree. So we have created our email for the project. So now we'll go under security, turned on. So guys, just have these things enabled so that only it will provide the app password that we want to use for our server, right? Because we are going to use Gmail for our server. App passwords, now we've got this. Let's open that. Select the app and device for which you want to generate the app password. Email mostly. Other custom name will be my Mac. Look, generate. Your app password for your device is this. So guys, we've got the app password as we want. So let's copy this and go to our environment variable, app password. Sorry, I am not good at English anyway. Okay, save. App email. This is what this is. So let's save it. So that's we have got now. Let's do import SMTP from node mailer SMTP transport. Import node mailer from node mailer. Okay, and then import star as env from dot env dot config path dot env. which means we have configured our env file to the environment variables, uh, as in environments we can say. So first let's create let transporter equals node mailer dot create transport smtp service gmail and auth user process dot env dot process env dot app email pass dot env dot app password. So now we've got this. Let's create a function async send email, excuse me, let's just have the function, just have it as input. Okay, so const input. So what are the inputs we are going to have? To mail, message, subject mostly, and we'll have a lot of things as what email used to have. Here we can have cc emails, bcc emails, and other subjects thingy which supports emails too. So for the simplicity purposes we'll have this much as enough, right? So let's write the thing. So now we are gonna do one thing. Let's have let result, let have the name it as result await transporter dot send mail. First we'll have the mail options, but before that function which will give us error and info. So if it does have error, sorry, okay, let's have this as is. If let's return it, if info right. So the mail options from, let's give my name or our app name. So it will be shown after our email ID. To will be to mail. Subject will be subject message ID. So this is a text. right? So let's call, let's have these things as an inputs. Okay, yes. Okay, to email will be my email. Subject will be checking the mail server. Message. Hi Balaji, this is me to me from St. Mailer. Then let's call. Okay, let's try running this npm run dev. This is not correct. npm run dev. So the mail has sent. Info is mail sent successful. Let's check if we received our mail. Spam. Okay, how our mail got as a spam. This is me to me from send mailer. So we've got a message anyway, but yeah, lots of message mail from Google were identified as spam. Why is this message? Lots of messages from mail.google.com were identified. Oh, okay, got it. So in this case, guys, we are sending mail from Gmail service, and they are monitoring it actually. So yeah, no worries. But however, we've got our mail covered. So let's try. Okay, let's try another thing. Happy New Year as a subject. Welcome to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/https www dot. Actually, it will send a mail because it will listening. So another mail has been sent. Let's check. Yeah, another mail is here, and we've got the link. If you go there, you'll see, right? So this is what I wanted you to see. So if you see, this will help a lot, since I can show you. If you give your name, email, subject, message, then I'll receive the mail and you'll receive the mail. So I've got this covered uh, through backend. And if you see, I've got everyone's and all. So yeah, so I've got everything covered here. So I used to have everyone's email. So if I want, I can make a project to send campaign emails as well, to get everyone's updated and everyone's posted. So yeah, this is what I want to show you. So these are all kind of cool projects you can make of. And if you want to make some other videos, and if you want to do some other projects, you can do as well. I wanted to show you one more thing, which is not going to show you, but tell you as an idea. uh, have you ever heard of scheduling tasks or messages? So if you can do so, you can send messages Actually, we have made a video as for Telegram APIs to send Telegram messages, and we can have that as possible for WhatsApp and everything. What's the Facebook Messenger, LinkedIn messages, and everything you got as a API. Thing is, if you wanna send an email as scheduled, if you wanna send a messages to your friends as scheduled, you can do so with these kind of practices. So we have just showed you how we can do this and all. So yeah, I hope you got the point and enjoyed this video. Thank you. Let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.